Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Claire and I put out videos about luxury bags and accessories. So if that is your thing, please click on the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, you'll know when I upload a new video. I am finally filming for the second time my birthday Fendi haul part 2. Now if you are subscribed to me, you may have seen on my community tab on YouTube that I did actually film this video already, but unfortunately the footage was corrupted and I ended up losing it, so I had to then find a time where I could actually refilm. I filmed this at the beginning of February, then I had a really busy month and then we were away for a few days, so I'm actually now getting around to filming it again at the end of February. And what I did originally was I filmed one big video showing you the things that I got in my birthday haul that I hadn't already shown you, and I also showed you the result of what happened when I got my sequin baguette back. Now I've decided this time to actually film that in 2 videos, so I'm going to keep you waiting. I'm sorry, I'm teasing. So this video is going to be all the other bits and pieces I got as well as the bag, and then I'm going to film a separate video where I show you the bag that I got back and the result and everything that happened with that. So I'm sorry you're going to have to wait a little bit for that, but I'm hoping to get the first video up in the next couple of days and then the next video up a couple of days after that. So if you have no idea what I'm talking about, then you do need to check out my birthday unboxing part 1, which I will link down below. And in that video I unboxed a beautiful Fendi bag that I bought during my birthday appointment with Fendi just before Christmas. But there was a big issue, a big problem, and I discussed the situation, what happened and what was hopefully going to be done to put it right. So please check out that video, because then when you watch this video and part 3, you'll understand what's going on. The other thing I want to mention as well, before we get into the unboxing of the other items, is since I filmed the first version of this video, which I, as I said, lost completely, I have actually hit the magic number of 1,000 subscribers. So I'm so thrilled and excited about that. My subscriber number was sitting on 99 something for ages. It was 993, then 994, 995. It was going up so slowly, it was painful. But it got to about 997, 998. And I was actually messaging with the lovely Deb from Wild Unfiltered. And she said, oh, you're nearly there, you're nearly there. And I said, I'm not going to hold my breath. It's going up really slowly. And as we were messaging, she sent me a message. She said, you're there, you've done it. And I looked at my YouTube analytics and there it was, the magic number, 1,000 subscribers. So that was just so exciting, and I'm so grateful to each and every one of you that has taken the trouble to subscribe. I'm going to do a special kind of 1,000 subscriber video. I'm going to film that shortly and that will be coming up. But I just wanted to say, because this is the first video I'm putting out since I hit that 1,000 subscribers, I just wanted to say that big thank you. It's been a long, slow journey to get here. I don't upload as regularly as I'd like to. I took a year off at one point where I think I only uploaded 1 video in the whole year, but I finally got to this point and I'm so grateful. I want to say a big thank you to those of you who subscribed to me really early on when I first started my channel, and you stuck with me and you're still here, and I know who some of you are because you still comment on my videos. You were commenting back then and you're still commenting today, so thank you for that engagement. And I want to say a massive thank you to everybody who has subscribed to me over the last few years, and a big thank you and welcome to the new subscribers who have subscribed in the last few months. And some of that I think has been due to quite a few other YouTubers promoting my channel and mentioning me, following the meetup in London. Lots of YouTubers like Debs, Dale, Meredith from Living Lux with Meredith, Gwenny from Style by Gwenny, Nick from Living Life Loud with NJS, Hannah from So Much Design with Hannah, Lisa from Luxury and Life in the Middle, and all the others that were in that group. A lot of them have mentioned me in their videos, tagged me in their videos. They've tagged me on Instagram. They've been putting out posts saying Claire is nearly at 1,000 subscribers, please subscribe to her. So I want to say thank you to all of those people that on YouTube have supported me as well and have promoted me. So yeah, so I'm at 1,000 subscribers, the first major milestone, I suppose, as a YouTuber. So yeah, thank you so much to everybody who has subscribed. And as I say, if you haven't subscribed yet, please click on that subscribe button, because I've definitely got another video coming up after this one where you will see the outcome of the baguette gate, as it were. So into what today's video is actually about, and that is the unboxing and reveal of my birthday haul that I got from Fendi. I had a wonderful appointment with my client advisor Valentina in December. It was Christmas week, so it was up in Harrods and it was absolutely manic. It was so busy, but she spent so much time with me. I was able to look at so many things that I'd seen online and I really wanted to look at in person, and yeah, we just had a lovely time, and I did do some damage. Now here we go. Here's my bag. Right, this is a Waitrose bag, yes, and just for info, in case you're ever interested, a Fendi bag, a kind of Fendi medium to large shopping bag, fits perfectly in one of these Waitrose bags for life. Now the reason I've got it in a Waitrose bag is I did go up to London. It was Christmas week, very, very busy. I was there for a long time. I was travelling on my own on the train, and it was very dark by the time I left London. And I took this bag up deliberately with me because I knew that I was going to buy a few things from Fendi, and I just felt it was a bit safer to disguise my Fendi bag with a kind of just basic supermarket bag, just so I felt a bit safer kind of moving around on the train and in late night car parks and things. But what is actually in the Waitrose bag is a beautiful Fendi bag with the Christmas star on it, because I say it was Christmas, so my client advisor tied the star on it. Got the Fendi ribbon, and then she also gave me, I'll show you this, a little box of the Fendi stars, which she said you can obviously pop them on your Christmas tree. It was about the 20-something of December. I'd already got Christmas decorations up, so I'm going to save those for next year, and they will definitely go onto a Christmas tree next year. Now, as I said, I'm going to tease regarding the bag situation and let you know about that in another video. I'm also going to do another tease here, I'm afraid. If I just undo the ribbon there so I can get into the bag. I have got something in this box, which I bought at the same time. However, I'm going to save this for another very special video where I'm unboxing something else that this actually goes with. Because if I show you this now, you're going to know the other item. So I'm sorry about that, but I did buy this, and all become clear when I unbox this other item, and you'll see that that goes with it. So yeah, another reason to subscribe, because I have another unboxing coming up, another Fendi. So what's left in here is two boxes. Let's take them out. So I've got a box here, which, there we go, is actually one of the small handbag boxes, but there's not another handbag in here. I only bought one bag, and this box here, and this is a very small one. So let's start with the small one, and in here, those of you that know Fendi might recognise it is a wrappy box, and one of the first things I purchased at that appointment was this glorious wrappy. Now, I just loved this because it's got the bags on it. It's got the Fendi peekaboo, and it's got the Fendi baguette on it, and it's in burgundy. Now it's in kind of like this pale pink and burgundy on that side. If I open it up a little bit, you'll see there's nothing on the other side of it, that's plain. So all the design is just on one side, but at the ends you've got more burgundy. Fendi Autumn and Winter 23-24 was definitely burgundy heavy. It's one of my favourite colours, and when I saw this I couldn't resist it. I have a Chanel burgundy bag, some of you might know that, and this would go lovely with that. I don't have any problems mixing a Fendi wrappy with a Chanel bag. I wear an Hermes wrappy with that Chanel bag. I wear Louis Vuitton wrappies with other bags and so on. So I have no problem with that. But also I just felt that maybe one day, possibly, there might be a peekaboo in my future, and this wrappy would go on a peekaboo. I just couldn't resist it because it had the bags. Funnily enough, the only Chanel silk scarf I have has got handbags on it. I think I have a weakness for silks that actually have handbags on them. So yeah, anyway, this wrappy, actually, my husband bought me this for my birthday. So a couple of the pieces I'm going to show you were actually bought by hubby for my birthday. Although I went up and bought them, he paid for them. He would rather I go and choose something for myself and then he'll pay for it, rather than surprise me with something, because even though we've been together many years, he's still worried he would get the wrong thing, and he knows if I choose it myself then it's definitely something I want. I've got 3 items in this box, and my client advisor, she popped them all into dust bags and they all fitted into this box. Now, 2 of the items are exactly the same, they're just different colours, and I saw both of them online. I really wanted to look at them, and I knew as long as there was no mad difference between the colour online and the colour in real life, I was probably going to want both of them, because I wouldn't have been able to make my mind up. I loved the two colours so much, I would not have been able to choose from them. And that's when I was telling my husband about this, and he said to me, well, if you do decide you like both and you want to buy both of them, I will purchase one of them for you. So this one I bought for myself, and I have worn this one because, say, I bought it back in December, so I have been wearing this over the last couple of months. And this is the beautiful blue silk and wool shawl stroke scarf. Now, it's very large. At the moment I've got it folded into a triangle because I can wear it, I've been wearing it, as I say, over my shoulders. It's got a very delicate fringe at the end there, at the ends, and it's got beautiful sheen on it, very subtle FFs, and yeah, it's just a beautiful colour. Now, why did I get the blue? Well, again, if you've watched my videos, you know I have a beautiful blue baguette, and I really just love this blue, and I just thought it would be a lovely accessory that I could wear with my blue baguette. And indeed I have worn it with my blue baguette, and I have worn it with other bags as well and other outfits. Yeah, it's absolutely gorgeous. It's not really thick fabric, but it still is quite warm. Certainly wearing it under a kind of a winter coat with just the outer edges showing, it looks really nice and it's kept me warm. So yeah, so it's silk and wool, and I know these shawls pull. There's probably a couple of very minor pulls on it already from where I've worn it. I accept that. I know that that's the problem. They are such a delicate fabric. They are pure silk, pure wool, so you know you are going to get the odd pull on it. I have gone careful when I'm wearing it, but yeah, I know that's going to happen, but I'm really happy with this. I'm really thrilled with that. So that's this one in the blue, and then, as I say, I knew there was another one that I wanted and I would be unable to choose between the two. So this is the one that my husband bought for me, and he gave this to me on my birthday. And I'm sorry to be boring, it's exactly the same item, however this is in the beautiful burgundy, and I haven't worn this one yet. This one still actually has the paper tag on it, but yeah, I just knew that I wouldn't be able to choose between the two. I mean, they're just two beautiful colours. They're both seasonal colours, so I knew if I didn't get them they'd be gone. And I just have a thing for burgundy. I love burgundy, and I love the burgundy that Fendi has done autumn winter 23. It's just been a beautiful burgundy. They've done ready to wear, they've done bags, they've done these accessories in this beautiful burgundy. So again, it's the silk and wool shawl. It's a big large square that you can fold into a triangle and wear as a shawl or a scarf. It's a bit creased, this one, but so this is still unworn and has been sitting in the little dust bag for a couple of months. But I'm absolutely thrilled with that. I just know I will get the wear out of that as well, because it's just a colour that I love and that I wear. And finally, this was the impulse buy. Well, in a way the wrappy was an impulse buy as well, but I definitely was going up with the idea of buying the bag and the two shawls. They were planned purchases. The wrappy was a little extra that I just saw and fell in love with, and this was the other real impulse buy. And this was all my sales associate's fault, because when I asked her if I could look at this, she brought this out. Now, I don't know if she accidentally brought out the wrong thing, or if she knew exactly what she was doing and she brought this out because she knew that I would love this as well. And I did and ah about it. I loved it, but I ummed and ah because I really wanted to get this, and I thought, do I need this one as well? Because as you'll see in a minute, there is one similarity. And at one point I said to her, no, I'll leave that, I won't get it. And then I just tried it on again and I was like, yeah, I've got to get it. I'm going to have to get it. And this is another beautiful scarf in burgundy, but this one is pure silk, and it is a long kind of rectangle scarf, so more of a scarf that can just easily go around your neck like that. And it is much lighter. As I say, it's pure silk. It's obviously got the FFs on it as well, very delicate too. If I show you them both together, you'll see there is a slight difference in the colour obviously this is a darker burgundy, this is a lighter burgundy. And I just felt that, you know, this makes a beautiful sort of spring autumn scarf for me. It's not going to keep me very warm in the winter, but it's certainly going to be maybe a nice evening scarf as well. And every time I put it on, I just loved it. It feels amazing. Again, it was a seasonal colour, so I thought I have to kind of jump on it if I'm going to get it. If I leave it, it will go. Will I regret it if I leave it? And I decided that I would. So yeah, I do like scarves like this. There is obviously a bit of flexibility with it because it's quite long. But yeah, I'm thrilled with this because it's me. This burgundy is just such my colour. And I think when you get a season that, you know, comes out and it's all your colour, then I just had to go for it. Luckily, the spring summer 24 items that have all recently come out, the latest season from Fendi, none of them are really my colours, so luckily I'm saving a bit of money this season because there's nothing really that I'm after from that particular collection. However, the autumn winter last year with the burgundy and the blue was just made for me. It really was. And if I could afford or fit into the ready-to-wear, I would have potentially done some damage in the ready-to-wear as well. But obviously, along with my bag, which you will see on my birthday unboxing part 1 and subsequently on part 3, that was the rest of the items that I got from Fendi at my birthday appointment. I'm sorry that it has taken me so long to put this video up, but as I say, had technical difficulties at the beginning of February when I first filmed it. I hope you like those items. I'm really looking forward to wearing the burgundy scarves. As I say, worn the blue one already, looking forward to wearing the burgundy, and I just feel that for me they will be quite classic staple pieces going forward. They're not in weird way out colours, although they're seasonal pieces, obviously they're still quite classic, and I just know they'll last me forever. I'll wear them season after season. I don't mind if next winter these colours aren't in at all. For me, they will always be in. I love them. So yeah, I hope you liked my mainly silks and scarves kind of haul. So please stay tuned for part 3, where you'll see the outcome of the bag situation. And if you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please let me know down in the comments what you thought of my items. Thank you ever so much for watching. As I say, thank you to all of you who have subscribed and have got me to that 1,000 subscriber point. It's just so exciting to be there. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. I really appreciate it, as I appreciate you watching. So thanks everyone, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.